I'm so stressed, I don't know what to pack. I don't know where to start. So much shit on the floor and on the bed. Don't wait till the last minute to start packing, okay? Just don't do it. Welcome to another packing video. These honestly should be my specialty and I should just keep making these because it seems like I'm literally living out of a suitcase. Even when I'm home in Alabama, I've been home for about a month now and I'm actually really excited for the fact that I get to repack. If you watched my first one, you would know that I took 3 carry-on bags with me and that was supposed to last me for the entire year, but I had to unexpectedly fly home and now I've decided to leave one bag home and take a bigger suitcase with me this time around. I've decided to go with a medium-sized suitcase this time, check it, and just take my Tortuga backpack with me as well. So I'm leaving behind my mono suitcase. I still love this suitcase a lot. It's still my favorite ever that I've ever owned. But if you watched my first video, you would know that it was this pristine, baby blue, perfect, like, beautiful suitcase that had no blemishes on it. But as you can see, flying back and forth to Australia, this is what it has turned into. But that is why I give you one of these magic erasers. So I kind of wanted to test it out and see if it actually works. Let's see if this works. It's not looking promising. We're supposed to wet this? I don't know how to use this. I think this is a waste of time. It's just gonna have to be black and smudgy. Oh well. If you're watching this video because you were thinking about buying the mono suitcase, this is not sponsored, but maybe one day, fingers crossed, I think you should buy it because as you can see, it's been through some things, as in like 7 flights maybe, and like long haul flights across the world, and it is still in pristine condition minus the black smudges. But that's okay because it shows character, right? It still zips perfectly. It still has the silent run wheels. This thing still works perfectly. And, you know, it's just amazing. This is the smallest bag they have. I would recommend going up a size. I like it, but I find that I can fit maybe 3 days worth of stuff in here if I don't want to take another backpack or something. But if you are comparing it to the Way bags, I can't help you there. But one of my friends has 2 of them and he loves them. But honestly, they're so similar. I just feel like the quality of this is a little better because their bag had like actual dents on it. And this one has been through a lot and it has no dents yet. And honestly, whatever it's made of kind of feels like it can't dent. Like, you see this? Hold up. Okay, bad lighting, I'm sorry. But you see, this could have been a dent. This could have been a dent, but look, it's not. It's just black smudge, which I've tried to get it off with the magic eraser comes with, but I ain't got time for that right now. I have to pack for my life for 6 months. But I just wanted to throw this part of the video in here because I do know people are looking at buying this bag, and I will say, do it. Just buy it. It's awesome. You won't regret it. If anyone in the comments below can tell me how to set this, because I haven't set one of these since like 7th grade lockers, you know what I'm saying? So I just keep it on 0 so anyone can break into my bag. But yeah, if you know how to do it, let me know. This time around, I wanted to bring a medium-sized suitcase and 1 backpack. And I don't know how I'm going to pack all of this because you can't see it yet, but there's a whole pile of clothes that have to go in here, and I don't know if it's going to be able to fit. I actually bought this suitcase from Kmart in Sydney, Australia for 45 Australian dollars, which I think is roughly 30 US dollars. So this is the cheapest suitcase I've ever owned. The wheels are super loud. When you're walking down the sidewalk, everyone stares at you. But it is very roomy, and it made it all the way here in one piece, so that's promising. If you watched my first video, you would know that I brought this Tortuga, what's this called? Set Out, I think. My Tortuga Set Out with me the first time. I'm obsessed with this bag. I take it everywhere with me. I love it, love it, love it. Will never get rid of it and will always use it. It opens like a suitcase, which is why I love it so much. And it's super roomy, and laptop is very protected. So I'm taking this and my suitcase. So technically I'm taking another bag, but this is just like an airplane bag, I guess is the best way to describe it. And it's this. It's very little. I bought this at TJ Maxx like a year ago probably, and it is a backpack that folds into a square. I want to show you all of my favorite travel accessories. The very first travel accessory that I ever purchased was this laundry bag. This is literally my best friend when I'm in hostels or a hotel. Basically, it's in this little bitty square. And same thing with my backpack that you probably saw. It's a huge laundry bag. This fits literally 2 weeks worth of clothes. And yes, sometimes I go 2 weeks without doing my laundry, because that's just how it goes when you travel sometimes, you know? But then, probably can't see this, but just fold it back into a square, and easy as that, it goes back into itself. So fun, so easy. It packs onto nothing. There, look at there. Back to its square itself. Favorite item. Second favorite, and a must if you stay in hostels. So most hostels will charge you between 2, 3, maybe 5 euros, pounds, dollars, wherever you're staying. They always charge money for a towel. This saves me so much money. It is just I think it's a microfiber towel. Ugh, and it dries super fast, packs down into this little bitty square, and it's super soft and blue. And it's big. Look at this. Covers my whole body. Can't really tell, but this is amazing. I'm not kidding. This thing dries probably in an hour, maybe. So this next item is a little pricier than all the others. This, though, does come in handy when you don't trust the sheets in your hotel or in your hostel, which I've had to do occasionally, where I'm just like, that doesn't look clean, I don't trust it. This is the Brave Era sheets, I guess, but it kind of is similar to a sleeping bag liner. It's kind of like you slip into it and you cover yourself with the flap, and it has a pillow cover so you don't have to sleep on the dirty pillows either. But this is made of, I think it's called mulberry silk, and it's supposed to prevent you from getting bed bugs and all the dirt and the dust and whatnot. But basically, Brave Era sheets are a must in hostels as well. But I think they're like $84. I'll link them down below if you want to check it out. But yeah, amazing and super soft. A new purchase, thanks to my mom, because I lost my Wonder Cloth in a hostel. It's like a makeup removing washcloth. It's really soft, but she got me a pink one. Look how cute it is. These things are super soft. Let's see if the camera picks up the material, but it's a microfiber material and it dries really fast. Feels like a baby's bottom on your face. My other newest purchase is something I got from TJ Maxx, like my entire closet and every pair of shoes that I own, is a packable travel blanket. So it has this thing where it fits on the back of your suitcase handle if you wanted to carry it that way, which is pretty convenient, honestly. And then you unzip it. Ooh, it's so soft. Oh, I like how it comes off. It's soft. Oh, I like it. It's kind of like a jersey, like a t-shirt material. Oh yeah, I can take naps on the plane. And it covers my whole body. Oh my gosh, I love it. I think this is my new favorite. Okay, I think I'm going to sleep on planes now. Cause I also got this, again, thanks to my mom. She's amazing. I got this. It's a hammock for your feet. You just hang it on the, what's it called, tray table in front of you and put your feet in it, and it's supposed to help your legs feel more comfortable and have more space. And that's the reason I can't sleep on planes, is because my knees are constantly aching. They hurt so bad. Anywho, it's already like 4 o'clock and I haven't packed yet, and I leave in 24 hours. So I'm gonna do that right now. So just like last trip, I'm using all the same packing cubes, and I just have a mix of packing cubes from Walmart, Travel On, and Insight Vacations, which is a trip we took to Italy. That's the tour company. Shout out to Insight Vacations, you are awesome. I'm taking this one and also BRB, their tech organizer. This is awesome. Oh, when it zipped. I didn't use this the past trip because I didn't know we had it, but it has pockets for everything. Like, this is where I'm gonna have all my cords and the little small things up in here, and now it can be organized. Oh, also, I am so excited for this. I got the brand new MacBook Pro. Let me go get it. This thing weighs half as much as my other MacBook Pro that I got in 2013. Look at it. This is the best. And so pretty. Doesn't this remind you of like the Lover album by Taylor Swift? I thought so. That's why I got it. Okay, this time I'm going to start packing. And I don't know how it's going to turn out in this video because TBH, like my life, this is last minute and very, very sporadic, and I didn't plan any of this, so apologies if this video feels that way too. I'm going to show you this pile, and I don't know if I'm embarrassed about it or not, because this isn't even half of it, but take a look. Ta-da! This is my clothes pile, my techie, I don't know pile, my shoe pile that's not even complete yet. I have 3 pairs of tennis shoes, shower shoes, and I still have to get my summer sandals out. What else? Oh, I don't even have my bathroom stuff in here yet, but there's that, and there's that, and there's that. Since I don't really know where to start, I started by placing my packing cubes on the bed and determining what goes in what. So I'm thinking pants, dresses and rompers, shirts, tank tops, underwear, socks, bras, bathing suits, and shorts, maybe. Toiletries, more toiletries, AV technical stuff. That's all I got so far. Okay, now that I piled this all on my brother's bed, sorry Andrew, but my room's a mess. Now I'm realizing not all of this is going to fit. Kind of had the feeling, but I mean, I think just my clothes weighs 50 pounds. What am I gonna do? This is the hardest part of packing, is narrowing down. Okay, so this looks like a lot because it is, but a little trick I tried last time was folding like Marie Kondo, whatever her name is, the girl from Netflix that Do You Love It? Got it, you know what I'm saying? Fold it like that, how she folds her little t-shirts into the drawers. What is this? I'm all packed. The only thing I have left to do is find a place for my Cheez-Its. Thanks to my lovely grandma, I have 2 boxes of Cheez-Its. This was the thing that I craved the most in Australia, so I'm taking 2 boxes with me. So now I have to figure out where the heck to put them. All right, the next step is to zip this suitcase. I don't know if it's going to zip, and then I have to weigh it. Please don't be 50 pounds. All right, let's pray this zips. Ow. Oh, jeez. Where's the zipper? Let's go to Australia. Ugh. Dad? Say hello.
Hello, Carolyn. You're gonna take this?
Yeah, girl. You need me to get it?
Yeah.
Hold it. "32-minute delay." These beautiful people drove me to the airport. Last Burger King until it turns into Hungry Jack's. Oh. Walking. Why can't I speak English? Okay. All right, so I wanted to bring, why do I say all right every sentence?